Watch what this guy is doing. What do you think of that? It's hard to believe, but these are not superheroes, just regular people who hone their skills to an unattainable level. Subscribe to our channel and you'll always hit the bullseye like this guy. Now that's what we call good aim. When a soccer player plays basketball for the first time, this happens. Well, that seemed really simple. He should have added a backflip. Remember the guy who threw the cards, coins, and whatever else? Well, now he has some serious competition. And this guy got the ball into a cup through a myriad of obstacles, while I can't score into a garbage can from 2 feet away. What normal people do with their vegetables, but look at what this guy can do with vegetables. I wonder, when did he realize this was his calling? And this is a whole new level of embroidery. Patterns, stitches, and colors on 2 sides of the same canvas come out completely different. What's the difference between a good cook and a professional chef? He does it completely effortlessly. In case you didn't know how to quickly make a bunch of pancakes, here you go. Check this out. This is the sponsor of your amazement. The incredible graphics of this artist. And these tough men from Siberia made a G-Wagon from 5 tons of ice. Of course, overheating would create a bit of a problem, but even if it melts, they can always make a Lexus the next day, as long as they keep it out of the warm garage. This guy defied gravity. Bruce, is that you? I don't think there's anything left to add. Just look at the things this guy can do on the bars. And these Legos came to life. But if we're being serious, this is an incredible stop-motion animation made with 81 frames. And this animation required a 108-foot-long set and 10 days of work. While one part of the distance was being shot, the next part was being built. When you need to clean your room, but you're too smart. And this is the most satisfying fake video. If you think otherwise, I can't wait to hear from you in the comments. And here's robotics and automation Indian style. When you couldn't get a job as a dealer, so you had to settle for being a server. A new way of making music into a visual experience. Oh, the life hacks you come up with working with the office equipment. And here's what you can achieve by drawing with a regular piece of string. Wait, was this always allowed? And in Hamburg, A miniature train made thousands of glasses filled with water play classical tunes. Unsurprisingly, it set a world record. Just listen to this. Either this guy's head is super convenient, or they rehearsed this for a long time. And this artist has a great talent of completing art with shadows from regular objects. Check out his Instagram. Have you ever seen an image created with thread? It took her 3 days and over 3 miles of thread. And here's a psychedelic wall. It's actually completely straight. That's how you develop a phobia. When talent meets laziness. Okay, he's just trying to save some time. You obviously recognize what animal this is. And this. And even this. But it's not that simple. Why bother laying cobblestone when you can just do this? And this Egyptian master has been making cement tiles by hand for over 50 years, preserving a 200-year tradition. And here's another way to entertain yourself in quarantine. Imagine setting up 5,888 cards for 2 minutes of observation. It's about to get hot in here. This is the hardening process of a giant helical gear in a special oil mixture. If you're a genius, you can easily paint a picture using your palms. Or your head. Or another body part. When you have a deadline that evening, but you haven't started yet. To create an amazing photo, all this guy needs is an orange. This sculpture entitled Embrace is 72 feet tall and estimated to cost $265,000. Here it is being burned at the Burning Man Festival. Painting animals on paper is too easy. This artist, for example, uses other people's hands to create his art. Check out this optical illusion tattoo. Did you enjoy this video? Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to you know what.